Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best corded circular saws that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're into carpentry, DIY projects, or professional woodworking, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Aliexpress 11 amp power circular saw, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $37.99, this saw is perfect for beginners or casual DIYers who want decent performance without breaking the bank. It boasts a powerful 11 amp motor delivering an impressive 6,000 RPM, making it capable of cutting through wood, plastic, and even soft metals with ease. The adjustable cutting depth and bevel angle are great features for versatility, accommodating cuts up to 2.5 inches at 90 degrees and 1 7/8 inches at 45 degrees. Additionally, the scale ruler ensures precise straight-line cutting, which is fantastic for detailed projects. Design-wise, the Aliexpress is lightweight and ergonomically designed for comfort during extended use. However, its plastic construction may raise durability concerns for heavy-duty users. Safety is a priority with its dual insurance switch to prevent accidental starts, which is a thoughtful addition. That said, the Aliexpress isn't the most robust option for professional-grade tasks, but for light-duty work, it does the job well. If you're a beginner looking for an affordable tool to tackle basic projects, this saw is a great starting point. Pros include affordability and impressive RPM for the price, while cons include less durable build quality and limited blade features. Coming in at number 4 is the Skill 5080-01 13 amp circular saw, priced at $39.95. This saw is an excellent step up from the Aliexpress, with a slightly more powerful 13 amp motor that delivers solid performance for casual woodworking projects. It's designed for ease of use, featuring a spindle lock for quick blade changes and a dust blower to keep your line of sight clear during cuts. The 51-degree bevel with positive stops offers decent versatility for angled cuts, making it suitable for a range of applications. The build quality is lightweight yet sturdy, reducing user fatigue during prolonged use. One standout feature is its 15% weight reduction compared to earlier skill models, which makes it an ergonomic choice for those who prioritize comfort. However, while it performs well for basic tasks, it may struggle with tougher materials or more demanding jobs. This saw is ideal for weekend DIYers or homeowners who need a reliable tool for occasional use. Pros include affordable pricing, lightweight design, and ease of operation. On the downside, it lacks the advanced features and durability needed for professional-grade applications. At number 3, we have the Craftsman CMES 500 circular saw, priced at $69. This saw strikes a fantastic balance between affordability and performance, making it a go-to choice for DIY enthusiasts and semi-professionals. Powered by a 13 amp motor that runs at 5,300 RPM, it delivers fast and efficient cuts for a variety of materials. The included carbide-tipped blade enhances cutting precision, while the spindle lock feature ensures quick and easy blade changes. The 45-degree bevel capacity makes it versatile for angled cuts, and the contoured overmolded handle provides excellent comfort during extended use. Design-wise, the Craftsman CMES 500 is robust and durable, with a stainless steel blade and solid construction that feels reliable in hand. While not the lightest saw on the list, its ergonomic design helps mitigate user fatigue during long projects. It's ideal for mid-level woodworking tasks, such as deck building or furniture assembly, and provides a great mix of quality and affordability. Pros include high performance, ergonomic design, and precision cutting, while cons include its slightly heavier build and fewer advanced features compared to higher-end models. At number 2, we have the Skill 5280-01 circular saw, priced at $59. This saw offers outstanding value for users who want advanced features without a premium price tag. The powerful 15-amp motor delivers an impressive 5,300 RPM for faster and cleaner cuts. One of its standout features is the single-beam laser guide, which ensures precise and accurate cuts every time, a feature that's particularly helpful for beginners or anyone working on detailed projects. The 51-degree bevel capacity with a positive stop at 45 degrees adds versatility, allowing users to tackle a wide variety of cuts with ease. The design is lightweight yet sturdy, weighing just 8.7 pounds, which reduces user fatigue during extended use. The dust blower is a thoughtful addition, keeping your cutting line clear for better visibility. This saw is perfect for both DIYers and intermediate woodworkers who need reliable performance at an accessible price point. Pros include a powerful motor, laser guide for precision, and ergonomic design. Cons include the absence of premium-grade materials, which might limit longevity in professional settings. Overall, the Skill 5280-01 is an excellent choice for those seeking high performance and useful features without overspending. And finally, at number 1, we have the DeWalt DWE575SB circular saw, the premium option on our list, priced at $179 down. This saw is built for professionals and serious woodworkers who demand top-tier performance and durability. It features a robust 15-amp motor that delivers 5,200 RPM, making it capable of handling the toughest applications with ease. The standout feature here is its 57-degree beveling capacity, with stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees, offering unmatched versatility for angled cuts. The electric brake adds an extra layer of safety, stopping the blade immediately after the trigger is released, a feature that's invaluable for professionals working in high-pressure environments. In terms of build quality, the DeWalt DWE575SB is exceptional, with a high-grade aluminum base for accurate cuts and a ball-bearing lower guard that ensures durability even in harsh conditions. The integrated dust blower keeps the cutting line visible, while the patented tough cord protection system prevents cord pullout for added reliability. Although it's the heaviest saw on the list at 8.8 pounds, its ergonomic design minimizes fatigue during long hours of use. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is the saw for you. Pros include superior build quality, advanced safety features, and professional-grade performance. Cons include its higher price point, which may be prohibitive for casual users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.